Hi and good day. Sorry for the delay. Okay, this is the lesson, the first lesson of additional semester for subject RT 353, Energy and Power in Biosystem. Let me remind you again. In this subject, we have three main topics. The first one is internal combustion engine. The second one on the steam turbine and the gas turbine, and the last one on the renewable energy. Okay, only for this lesson, only tutorial. There's no lecture. You can use my slide in the previous semester. I just only update a little bit, but still can be used, no problem. Okay. On this first lesson, we will go through a tutorial for internal combustion engine. Internal combustion engine. We go to question 1 here. This is actually the quiz or midterm test on 2018-2019, and also the quiz. I made it as a quiz for last year. Okay. Here is the solution. Let me go to my whiteboard here. First, we need to list down all the information given in the question. I also teach you that, right? We first need to list down given too small, given bow stroke equal to 1/3/4/2. Okay, mechanical efficiency 0.71. Number of cylinder inside the table Q1B is 6. Torque 240 Newton meter, right? Compression ratio with the R is the 14:1, and indicated mean effective pressure or PI here is 980 kilopascal. So what do you want, or what do you find? Calculate first the engine stroke S. Number 2, you need to find the clearance volume or VC. Alright, so solution here. Solution, let me use a different color for solution. You need to remember all the formula inside the slide that are already given to you, right? Okay, if you not remember, I can give it to you now. Okay, for mechanical efficiency equal to brake power over IP, negated power. Okay, what is the formula for BP? BP is equal to 2 pi torque, while IP equal to PI times A times L times capital N times N minus N divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula BP and IP. Okay, so how to solve that? The first one is you have to rearrange what do you want. For example, here mechanical, using this formula 1, 2 and 3, we write it again and we try to eliminate what we don't want. 2 pi, sorry, nt, we have an n here, by nt, 2 pi, where's my rubber, 2 pi nt, okay, 2 pi n capital T. N is actually the revolution of your piston in minute or in second, okay, over, just plug in all the formula again, pi is given pi times A times L times capital N times minor m divided by 2. So we got n delete out, so we got a 4 pi t over pi A L N. What is A? What is A? Let me sketch it for you using a green color. What is A? A is actually the area. Where is the area in this term? Area, for example, this is your piston. I'm sketching your piston. The top surface of your piston. This is your piston. Alright. This is your piston. This is your cylinder. This is your cylinder. This is your cylinder. Okay, this is your cylinder. Your piston will move upward and downward reciprocatingly. Okay, moving reciprocatingly upward and downward. So this is your area that we want. So in the area there we have R, radius of the piston. R here we represent in engine as the bore. Okay, so A for that particular area is pi b squared, pi b squared. Okay, how about the L? Here we have a L. How about the L? L is actually the stroke where your piston can go reciprocatingly. So this is your S. Okay, L is the S. So if we combine all these terms inside this formula, you can eliminate it again. Okay, let me write it for you. 4 pi t divided pi, what is A? Pi b squared. What is L? Is actually S and minus n. Right. So we can eliminate pi here. So this is your final simplification formula of mechanical efficiency. 4 pi t, 4 pi, so 4t I b squared s n. Right. Okay, so let me remind you again, you need to find s. So where is the s? Here you need to find s. How to find s while you only have one equation? This is your first equation. How you can solve for s here while you only have one equation? Actually, you don't have only one equation. You have this extra equation given to you. This is in ratio, not meter. What they ask you here in meter or millimeter. So don't use straight away for this. S is 2. No. Don't use that. This is the ratio. Okay. We need to find S or stroke for the engine. How to find that? This you can simplify by writing this ratio. You can simplify by writing like this. You need to find B. Let me solve for B first, because if you put S inside there, so you have to square root. You have to square. So there's a lot of there's a long equation. Okay, we need to simplify everything. So replace S there. Okay, good. 2B from this equation, we simplified it. Simplify this equation. 2B over 1.75 equal to S. Okay, this 1/4 you can simplify by this one, and this is your equation 2. Solving that, this equation 2 into 1, equation 1. Where's your equation 1? Here. So what is your final simplified equation? Both. Let me use red again. Mechanical efficiency 40 pi times B with S 2B B squared 2B 175 times N minus N. Alright, so you can get B, right? By simply plugging all the information that given here. Whereas mechanical efficiency is 0.71, B equal to cube root of all those terms. For the you have to press your calculator. I don't bring my calculator. It's all in the office, so you have to calculate by yourself. I'm showing here. So okay, I'm just showing here. What is our PI here? 900 times 3. What is your times 2 again here, and times your N minus N is 6. So your B here, your B will be, after you cube root them, your bore will be, your bore will be 0.093 meter. Okay, that is your bore. Remember that the question asking you for stroke. How to find stroke? Just plug in. This is your stroke. So stroke equal to 2P175. So plug in the value of B, 0.093 over 175. We got S equal to 0.1063 meter. So you got 3 marks for them. For all of these, you got 3 marks. 3 marks. And how about the clearance volume? Clearance volume, because you need to find clearance volume 2 here. Clearance volume 2, you already have a stroke, but you don't have a clearance volume. How to find a clearance volume? If you remember this question, not this question, the equation, let me use blue for how to find the clearance volume. If you remember this equation, R equal to displacement volume plus clearance volume over clearance volume. Okay, this clearance volume you need to find it, because the R is already given by 14 to 1, and BD you have to sorry, this is mosquito. So BD you have to calculate it. What's BD? Here, BD, displacement volume. Here, the area, the top area of your piston, top area here, I shaded with the blue, times by the length or the stroke here. So you got the displacement volume here. So you got the displacement volume. So here is your displacement volume. Where is actually your clearance volume? At the top here, at the very top of your displacement volume here. You can look at my slide or not. It's clearly indicated where is clearance volume, where is indicated volume. Okay, this is your top dead center, and bottom here, bottom dead center. Okay, inside the top of the top dead center we have a clearance volume. Okay, how to solve that? Easy. You just need to rearrange it back to make it as a function. So VCR, I'm trying to rearrange here. VCR minus VC equal to VD, correct? Okay, and VC R minus VC equal to VD. No, minus VC, minus 1, R minus 1 equal to VD. So VC equal to VD, R minus 1. What is the R? R is 14. So VD, you have to find the VD first. Okay, how to find the VD? VD equal to 5 V squared times S. So 5 V1. So what? 0.093 square times S. 0.1063. So you got VD in M squared. So you got VD in M squared. What's the VD here? 0.7. Cube, sorry, not square. Power of -3. Right? Because area is square. Area, the unit is square. When you talk about volume, yes, here we have height. So BC equal to 0.727 minus 3 and R14 minus 1. So we've got the answer for BC is 5.5, 6 5 meter cube. Alright. So you've got another 3 marks. For this. Easy, right? Easy, you can stand up if you study. But if not, it is difficult. So we go back to our question. What is our question? The second question. Assess the difference of mechanical efficiency if the engine bore and stroke ratio is geometrically identical. Okay, assess the difference of mechanical efficiency if the engine bore and stroke ratio is geometrically identical. How to solve that? Let's go to the whiteboard. Right, make it the new pages. Okay. Assess. When we talk about assess in question, that means we need to write some description of what you have calculated. Okay, it's not you will not have a full mark if you not write any description or any describe or you not assess for that calculated answer. Okay, you need to have some short writing of that. Okay. Question asks, assess the differences if the engine bore and stroke is different. Last time you got the bore is on the previous question you got the bore is 0.093 meter while stroke is 0.1063 meter. Okay, what if bore and stroke is the same? So, for example, take the bore value as the same. Bore and stroke 0.093. So you solve for mechanical efficiency. dP over IP using the same formula that are already given to you. So pi and T and Pi A L N minus N by 2. So this remove multiplication to pi multiply and more for pi T over Pi A L N. Okay, the difference here N and L, all the rest have the same value inside the table that given to you, right? So pi is 3.1452 and T is what is T given in the question 240 and Pi is this is T dot T 40 meter. I 980 kilopascal. In the end, number of pistons. So the difference is A and L. So A and L, you are using bore and stroke with the same length. Okay. For L there, you are using I B squared S. So your B and S is same. So you are using 0.093 power of 3. So that's your new AL. That's for this one. If you use B at 0.093, is the bow and shock. Bow and shock has a 0.1 1063 meter. So you have to calculate it again. Mechanical efficiency to the same number, 5E, but with different E and L, because you are using bow and shock different values. So we got two mechanical efficiency. First one, how much mechanical efficiency? Second one, how much? So if you solve and do this, you got only 2 marks. Okay, solve this, got another 2 marks. If you assess this mark, this mechanical efficiency together with this mechanical efficiency, and then forget with mechanical efficiency that given in the first place, where mechanical efficiency 71%. You assess, try to describe what you are calculating from your understanding when the bow and stroke is 0.093 and bow and stroke is 0.1, and when the bow and stroke has a different length. So what happened of the mechanical efficiency? So you try to describe that. So you got another 2 marks for that. So you assess, try to write something. Okay, you got another 2 marks for that. That's total of 6 marks. Okay, from the question there, if you look properly, you have already 4 plus 6 plus 6, which is 16 out of 20 marks. There's a lot. Okay, let me go together. And the last one, compressed, last question here. Compressed air usually compressed air pressure usually used to amplify the brake power of diesel engine. Explain. When they suck the oxygen of the air is in atmospheric pressure level, which is 101.35 kilopascal. Yes, or 1 bar for equivalent. So you imagine that what if the atmospheric air there, we are compress it to another level for twice as much as it. So what happened to your engine? Of course, it will increase the brake power of the engine. So how it works? Actually, your compressed air, when you compress the air, there's a lot of internal energy inside the air. Imagine that if it twice atmospheric pressure injected inside your combustion chamber, so you have a twice power just by compress it. So that's the way how you explain it. Okay, from the energy of the compressed air itself. okay, not something else lah. Okay, there's equivalent to how many minutes that we have here, equivalent to, oh, that fast. Okay, this is it for the lesson of our first lesson. You can meet me anytime if you want, but if you don't understand, you can message me, or you can put a comment inside there, because I put it inside the YouTube, right? You can put it everything. Thank you again. Hope that it helped you for additional semester. We will go to once again, I will remind you, we will go again tutorial for internal combustion engine. Very soon, I will make it the video very soon, so that it will help you for your study. Thank you again for your time, and good day.